So the mathematical equation of elevation and boiling point, sometimes you can get some tricky questions or critical questions which I am explaining you now. It is going to be helpful for both BU and your competitive. Just make a note of it. So now delta TB is equal to KB into M. So molality can be expressed as weight of solvent into 1000 divided by molar mass of solvent, molar mass of solute, divided by weight of solvent in grams. So now instead of weight of solvent, they would like to give you a data where, so density of solvent is equal to weight of solvent by volume of solvent. Now here they can give you, instead of weight of solvent, they can give you density of solvent, can express weight of solvent, density of solvent into weight volume of solvent. So you can write, instead of weight of solvent, you can write density of solvent into volume of solvent. Okay. Now once again, KB into WB into 1000 divided by MB, molar mass of solute, into density of solvent is equal to, volume of solvent is equal to volume of solution minus volume of solute. Okay. So remember here, always A is solvent, B is solute. So therefore, if the data is given with respect to TB minus TB naught is equal to KB into WB into 1000 divided by molar mass of solute into density of solvent into volume of solution minus volume of solute, will give volume of solvent. So based on this, they give the experimental data. You should be able to extrapolate the formulas and do the numerical. Okay, great.